This newsreel tells about the assembly elections in South Vietnam on September 11, 1966. We can see the optimism that existed back then.
In South Vietnam, the first step in the formation of a civilian democratic government is taken. Citizens turn out to elect a Constituent Assembly, whose job is to draft a new national constitution. Viet Cong terrorism killed 19 soldiers and civilians, and yet more than 4 million voters cast ballots, about 81% of those registered. For the 117-seat assembly, there are 530 candidates. It is hoped that the eventual election of a national legislature will solve the military and political struggle here. The long and difficult process of counting the votes goes on all night. The tremendous turnout at the polls is an important psychological victory over the Viet Cong. Premier Key's ruling military junta will continue to guide South Vietnam while the elected assembly creates the nation's new charter, a small but vital step toward popular government for this country.